In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write first, second, third, fourth in Excel. We're going to make those little suffixes sit neatly above the line as superscripts, so your entries look clean and professional without changing the actual value of the cell. Start by working in a cell that already shows your ordinal, like first, second, third, or fourth. Click into that cell to place your cursor, then highlight only the last two letters, the suffix. That means select ST, ND, RD, or TH, and leave the number itself unselected. This is important because we want Excel to format just the suffix and keep the number at its normal size and position. With those two letters highlighted, right-click directly on the selection to open the context menu. You should see several options that apply to text inside a cell. Choose Format Cells. This opens the dialog where you can control how the selected text looks. Inside the Format Cells window, switch to the Font tab. This is where the typographic effects live. Look for the Effects section and find the Superscript option. Check the box for Superscript. You'll notice in the preview that the highlighted letters are now raised slightly and reduced in size. That's exactly what we want for ordinal suffixes, because it improves readability and follows common style conventions. Once Superscript is checked, click OK to apply the change. Back on your worksheet, you'll see only the suffix has moved upward while the number stays in place. This is inline formatting, meaning it affects just the part you selected inside the cell. The content remains text, and the cell's value doesn't change. Only how it looks does. You can repeat the same approach for second, third, fourth, and any other ordinal you need. Simply highlight the final two letters of each entry, right-click, choose Format Cells, go to the Font tab, check Superscript, and confirm with OK. If you copy a cell that already has a superscripted suffix, that formatting will travel with the text, which can save time when you're building lists. A quick tip: if you ever need to edit the number later, just click back into the cell and change the digits. The superscript formatting on the suffix will remain unless you replace those letters. And if something doesn't look right, make sure you highlighted only the last two letters before opening the Format Cells window. That's all it takes to present ordinals cleanly in Excel. Select the suffix, open Format Cells, turn on Superscript, and confirm. Your data will look polished and easier to read in reports, labels, and dashboards.